Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by using an administrator account, so changes apply system-wide. Open Start, type Windows Security or Control Panel, then select Windows Defender Firewall or Firewall and Network Protection. Once done, click Advanced Settings or the Restore Defaults option if shown. This gives you direct access to rules and services. Make sure to note any custom rules you need to recreate. This step prepares the system and prevents permission errors when you perform the actual reset. You now reset the configuration. In Firewall Settings, click Restore Defaults, then press Restore Settings and confirm the UAC prompt. This removes custom rules and returns profiles to default behavior. That's why you backed up or noted key rules earlier. If you prefer command line, open an elevated PowerShell and run netsh ad firewall reset. Once executed, check that the Windows Firewall service is running. Restart the service if it didn't auto-restart to ensure defaults take effect. You finish by verifying behavior. Open allowed apps to re-enable any programs blocked by the reset and test network connectivity and application access. If something still fails, run the built-in Windows Firewall Troubleshooter or execute sfc/scano to repair system files that may affect firewall operation. One key troubleshooting tip: if rules reappear or service won't start, check group policy or third-party security suites. Make sure they're not enforcing policies that
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.